Let's learn direct variation. What do we mean when we say A varies directly as B? Let's look at the definition first. A direct variation is a type of variation involving two variables in which the set of values of one variable increases as the set of values of the other variable increases, and decreases as the set of the other variable decreases. That is, if we have A varies directly as B, if the set of values of A is increasing, that means the set of value of B is also increasing. And if the set of value of A is decreasing, that means the set of values of B is also decreasing. Now, if A varies directly as B, how do we write that down? It is written as A, the symbol for variation, varies directly as B. They are going to be on the same level since they vary directly. Or is that we write it in this form, or we say A equals KB, that is K times B, where the K is a constant of variation. And that's what direct variation is all about. Thank you.